The future of luxury electric vehicles is no longer just talk. 2026 is the year it arrives. Established automakers are now leading the charge, pushing the limits of range, performance, and design. The conversation has shifted. It's not just about how far an EV can go, but how incredible the experience is along the way. The competition in the high-end EV market is fierce, with innovation at an all-time high. Today, we're diving into the models setting new benchmarks and defining the next era of electric luxury. Let's take a look at the top luxury electric cars you need to know for 2026. First up, the 2026 BMW iX refresh. BMW isn't reinventing the iX, but perfecting it, addressing critiques and doubling down on its strengths. The new 120 kWh battery pack delivers 350 km of range, erasing range anxiety. Inside, the minimalist cabin gets the latest iDrive 8.0, with a faster, more intuitive interface. The M60 model now boasts 650 horsepower, launching from 0-60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. Fast charging up to 250 kWh adds 100 km in under 10 minutes. Subtle exterior tweaks modernize the look, while the signature kidney grille houses advanced sensors. Suspension updates refine the balance between comfort and dynamic handling. Sustainable, high-quality materials define the interior, with new options for 2026. Enhanced driver assistance tech offers smarter, hands-free highway driving. The 2026 iX isn't about chasing specs. It's about a polished luxury EV experience. Potent performance, unique interior, robust range, and fast charging make it a top contender. For those who want a familiar luxury brand with a bold, futuristic twist, the iX is a confident choice. It's a meticulously engineered luxury vehicle powered by electricity. The iX solidifies its place as a top-tier premium electric SUV. BMW's approach, evolution, not revolution, delivers what luxury EV buyers want. The iX is the safe bet, now with more performance and practicality. It's a showcase of BMW's understanding of luxury and driving dynamics. If you want a luxury EV that feels both familiar and futuristic, the iX is hard to beat. The 2026 refresh proves BMW is all in on electric luxury. The iX is ready for the next era. Let's see how the competition stacks up. The 20,000-pound Scoudi Tomadosin 26 Mercedes-Benz EQS sedan blends comfort, technology, and classic luxury. A subtle refresh brings a traditional grille, nodding to Mercedes' heritage. The 115 kWh battery offers up to 460 km of range, ideal for long journeys. Inside, the 56-inch hyperscreen and smarter MBUX software anticipate your needs. The AMG EQS rockets from 0-60 mph in under 3 seconds. Supercar speed, serene ride. Airmatic suspension and rear axle steering ensure unmatched comfort and agility. Opulent materials and HEPA filtration create a true sanctuary. Drive Pilot expands hands-free driving, pushing closer to true autonomy. The EQS pampers like an S-Class, setting the standard for electric luxury. The future of Mercedes luxury is here, and it's electric. Next up, Porsche. The competition heats up. The 20,000 Datsuns Modern 26 Sabonikonsatzen N Porsche Taycan Turbo S is the electric sports car for purists. No compromises on driving pleasure. Its 800-volt architecture enables sustained high performance and ultra-fast charging, now aiming for 15 minutes to 80%. Range improves to around 380 kilometers, but the focus is pure performance. The Taycan Turbo S delivers explosive acceleration, with chassis upgrades for even sharper, more agile handling. Adaptive air suspension, torque vectoring, and rear axle steering make it feel telepathic on the road, or track. Subtle design tweaks sharpen its aggressive aerodynamic look, while new Matrix LED headlights add tech flair. The 2-speed rear transmission balances blistering acceleration with highway efficiency, now smoother than ever. Inside, motorsport-inspired race-tex materials and a driver-focused cockpit keep you connected to the road. The infotainment system is faster, smarter, and deeply integrated with navigation and charging. Despite its performance focus, the Taycan is practical, room for 4 adults, frunk and trunk, and everyday usability. Porsche's electric sport sound is refined for 2026, adding a unique, immersive layer to the driving experience. The The Taycan isn't about winning the range war. It's about being the best driving electric car on the planet. Every update sharpens its edge, making the ultimate electric sports sedan even better. For enthusiasts who want their EV to feel alive, the Taycan is in a class of its own. Porsche proves electric can be thrilling. The 2026 Taycan Turbo S is the purist's choice. It's a four-door supercar you can drive every day. The art of driving, electrified. If you crave performance, this is your EV. Porsche sets the standard for electric sports cars. Next, let's see what the disruptors are doing. Enter Lucid. Lucid shook up the luxury EV world, and the 2026 AirDream Edition pushes boundaries even further. The headline: a 124 kWh battery and a projected 520 km range, making it the king of long-haul electric travel. Lucid's hyper-efficient motors and advanced battery management squeeze out every kilometer, setting new standards for efficiency. Performance is wild: 200 horsepower, 0 to 60 mph in 2.5 seconds. Hypercar numbers in a luxury sedan. The 34-inch glass cockpit, 5K display, and retractable touchscreen create a futuristic, intuitive interface. Over-the-air updates keep the tech fresh and ever-improving. Compact powertrain design means limo-like interior space, especially in the executive rear seating with reclining seats. Lucid's post-luxury philosophy favors advanced tech and intelligent design over traditional opulence. High-end textiles, sustainable materials, and a full glass canopy create a modern, airy cabin. The 900V Wonderbox charging system adds 200 kilometers in 12 minutes and supports bi-directional charging for home or other EVs. Adaptive suspension balances comfort and agility, with refined tuning for 2026. DreamDrive Pro uses 32 sensors, including LiDAR, for advanced driver assistance and hands-free driving. Sleek, aerodynamic design maximizes range and efficiency, with practical storage in both trunk and frunk. The AirDream Edition is the tech-forward disruptor, challenging legacy automakers on every front. For those who want groundbreaking tech, maximum range, and a modern take on luxury, Lucid leads the pack. It's a car that feels 5 years ahead of its time. The new benchmark for electric luxury sedans. Lucid proves startups can lead, not just compete. The AirDream Edition is the one to beat for range and innovation. If you want the future, Lucid delivers it today. Now let's see how the original disruptor responds. Tesla's turn. The Tesla Model S Plaid Plus returns for 2026, pushing performance and range to new extremes. The heart is Tesla's next-gen Titan battery, 100 kWh, with breakthrough energy density and thermal management.